Today we're going to talk about the income stream of creating courses and online digital courses. I have created two courses. I have one on how to save money on groceries and then an entrepreneurship course on how to launch an online business. And I go through creating courses, starting a YouTube channel, becoming a virtual assistant, becoming a freelancer, starting a podcast or a blog, and showing behind the scenes of what you need to do to launch that business. And that is exactly what creating courses is. It's solving a problem. So the first thing that you want to do when you're looking to create a course is figure out, okay, what problem am I solving? And a lot of people think that it has to be this huge, big production. You have to be this certified expert in creating courses. No, you don't. And with the creating courses, it's honestly, like I said, what problem do you solve? And taking those everyday skills that you have in life and helping someone else do that. And it can be as simple as how to get your kids to eat vegetables, how to do baby-led weaning, how to train a dog, how to start an online business, how to apply for jobs just out of college, how to set up a resume, how to be good at doing interviews, how to X, Y, and Z. Any skill that you have most likely can be translated into creating a course. And I have a client that they had a dog business where they would train dogs and very successful at it, but it was very strenuous and very time consuming, and they were only able to take on so many clients at a time. So I helped them create a course of training dogs and helping them to show the basics of dog training so that way when someone gets a new puppy or a new dog, they can take the course and learn the basics of starting to train a dog so that way they don't have to go and send their dog to be boarding school and learn all these basics, and when they have a wild dog and learning how to have them sit, have them walk beside you without a leash and different things like that. So using those skills that you have to translate into a course. And a big misconception that a course is it has to be all this crazy complex information. I personally believe that the biggest benefit of creating a course is having all of that information in one place. Yes, you can find, for my How to Save Money on Groceries course, you can find all the information on the internet for free on how to save money on groceries with meal planning, meal prepping, looking for sales, how to find the best deals, how to budget your money for groceries, all of that stuff. But the benefits of a course is it has it all in one concise place so that you don't have to spend hours and hours and hours researching, watching all these videos with most of the videos have the same information. And it's like one little nugget here, one little nugget here, one little nugget here. With a course, it's all in one place so that you can really dig in and get all the information for a lot shorter time frame. And it is quick, fast information that's all actionable tips. So with this, when you're creating a course, you want to think about the journey that they're going to go on. You want to think about where they are now, pre-course, and then where you want them to be after the course is completed. What is the A and what is the B, and what is that journey that you want them to go on, and where are they going to be at the end of the course. You really want to map out what their transformation is going to be, and also the client avatar. Who are you talking to? Who are you doing this course for? If you're doing a course on training dogs, but your clients or people that are seeing your course are all cat people or bird people or no pets at all people, they're not your target client. So you want to really hone in on who your target client is so that when you're creating the content, when you're doing the marketing, you know exactly who you're talking to. You know that when you're marketing it and when you're creating the content, they're like, holy cow, that is so me. How did they know that that is me? For instance, my course on Dreaming to Profitable. My course called Dreaming to Profitable is a entrepreneurship course and people that are wanting to start an online business. So it's people that want to start a YouTube channel, want to start a blog. They're nervous. They're like, I don't know if I can. I don't know if I have the time. I don't know if I have the skills or resources, and I don't know, but I really want to do it. And that's my target client, of those people that are eager to learn, they're eager to grow, they're eager to start something and to create something and to help people through the information that they have in starting a blog or a YouTube channel, or they need some extra money and they need to work some extra hours every week, maybe being a virtual assistant so that they can help support their family. That's my target client, and that's who I'm helping. I'm not helping people in Dreamer to Profitable that have had YouTube channels for 10 years and have 200,000 subscribers. That's not my target client. My target client is people just starting out on YouTube or don't even have a YouTube channel at all, or just starting out as a freelance or virtual assistant, but don't have years of experience in it. I am targeting the new people, the people that are like, I'm excited, I just got started, or I want to get started, and all right, hold my hand, let's go through this together, and we can come along and go on this journey and start a successful channel. So that is who my target client is. So when I was creating the content for my course, I had that in mind, and I said, okay, this is the journey that I want them to come on. They are coming in a little nervous, they don't have good time management skills, or they are just like, I don't know how I'm going to make this work in my schedule. I'm a mom, I'm work, I do this, I do that. I don't know how I can make this work. By the end of the course, they're like, I got it. I am pumped up. I am excited, and I am going to help so many people with my blog, and I'm going to reach so many people. And I now know the legal stuff that I got to do. I now know the taxes. I now know how to set specific goals for this specific product in this specific niche. I now know all of this stuff that if I was just starting on my own, I would have no clue. And that's also why I created Dreamer to Profitable, because when I started my YouTube channel, I had no clue what I was doing. I had no clue what I wanted to do, or with no clue any of the back end stuff or search engine optimization or anything like that. So I wish I had this exact course, so that's why I created it. And I've been on YouTube for almost 7 years now with my main channel, Kelly Ann Smith, and growing that over the years. I wish I had this. Oh my gosh, things would be so different if I had this in the beginning. So that's why I created the course. So think of that target client. Think about that journey that you want them to go on, and use that when you're creating the content. So next is you got to map it out. Map out your content, map out your modules, and say, okay, this is the journey that they're going on. These are the modules that I need to hit, and then these are the lessons that I need to do. And you can do this in something like Trello, where you have the boards. You can do this with Post-it notes. Pat Flynn wrote a whole book with just Post-it notes. So that is totally doable, of just doing Post-it notes. I've done that before, and it is something that you just got to get it done. You just got to do it. So next is hosting. Where are you going to host it? I have 2 recommendations for hosting. These are ones that I'm personally familiar with. So I host my course on Teachable, and you can, to one-stop shop, you can have a sales page there, you can have the checkout page, payments go through, affiliates, all that stuff. Now, it can get a little pricey. You can start hosting your course for free, but after you start getting students, all that stuff, it does get a little pricey. I personally have switched over to Thrivecart. Thrivecart is a one-stop shop where you can pay one fee and then you're good. Whereas Teachable, it's a yearly fee. So with Thrivecart, I'll have a link to Thrivecart and Teachable down below in the description. It is affiliate, you do affiliate links, you do support the channel, but it's what I personally am using. So with Thrivecart, it's one-time payment, and you can have affiliates through there, whereas with Teachable, you do have to have a higher tier to have affiliates, and you can have affiliates through there. You can even do Thrivecart Learn, where you have all your modules in there, or you can have it through the payment through Thrivecart, and then it transfers over to Teachable, where your curriculum and your modules and your videos are in Teachable. So that's totally an option as well. So I love both. I love Teachable, I love Thrivecart, and I'm going to be doing more videos in the future. So stay tuned for that, on how to integrate them and the differences, the pros and cons, all of that. Definitely check out that information down below in the description of Thrivecart and Teachable. Next is you want to launch and market your course. So after you create it and you do all the videos and you upload them all to Thrivecart or to Teachable, you have to launch and market it. So this can get a little tricky, but launching and marketing it is a whole other step of creating a course, and a lot of people think that when they create a course, it's just going to magically sell over and over and over again. You do want to do some marketing. And there are some deeper lessons that I have on marketing with lead magnets, and I go into this a lot more in Dreamer to Profitable. This is just a kind of surface level, but in Dreamer to Profitable, I talk about lead magnets and email funnels and email marketing and different things like that. So definitely check out Dreamer to Profitable to learn deeper into it, but you do have to market your course, and so that is something that maybe you want to take out ads down the road, or just start out by promoting on social media. Start by promoting on Pinterest and Facebook and Instagram. And those are great free platforms that you can start marketing your course. So let's keep the conversation going. If you want to know the 5 mistakes that I made when I first launched my first course, those mistakes, yeah, but learn from my mistakes and check out this video here. And if you want to know other income streams that you can add on to courses and other income streams that you can do to start an online business, check out this video here.